Hi, I'm here to explain how to remove the hard drive from your HP Pavillion a6000 personal computer. It took me quite a while to find information out online, so I am going to show you what I finally figured out. Okay, so you turn the tower on its side, and as you'll see, there is a screw here which you can just unscrew manually with just your fingers. It's just one screw for this particular model. Oops. Okay, and then you just slide the lid forward and take it off. Now, there are, all the PCs look different on the inside. So I just want to show you what this looks like on the inside. I don't know anything about computers, so this particular thing here looked like it was missing something, but it's not. That's just the way it's designed. This is actually the housing unit for the hard drive. Okay, so it's a lot easier than some of the videos will show you. All you have to do is there are two screws back here, which needs a Phillips head screwdriver right here, and you just take those out. Nothing is screwed in very tightly or difficult to do, so I've already loosened these to save some time. Okay, and then after you've removed those, if you look down here, you'll see a tab that looks like a number 1 on it. All you have to do is press that tab down and lift the housing unit out. So we're going to do that, lift that out, and then you can't just pull it out because there are a couple of cables attached right here. There's a small one with a black tab on it, and you just press the tab and pull out the cord, and then this one has a metal tab. You just press that metal tab and you pull it out. Then you remove the housing unit, which holds your hard drive. Okay, now to remove the actual hard drive, which is right there, you remove the screws there are 2 screws on each side, and I've already loosened them again to save time. So again, the Phillips head screwdriver, same screwdriver. You take those screws out on either side. Well, maybe I didn't loosen this one. So this is all very, very easy to do. Must have just loosened the ones on the one side. Okay, and then this is your hard drive. So now if you're going to resell your tower, you might want to leave all of this back in here with all the screws, but you're done. And now what you decide to do with this puppy, well, that's your business. Okay, I hope this helped. Bye.